Hi there, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time coming to my channel, before we begin, just click on the red subscribe button and the notification bell on the right, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That's it. So we're gonna start quickly. I want to show you maybe the wrong way you've been using to want to delete beneficiary which you have stored over time. Okay, by clicking on the I want to pay. This particular app we're using is the GT World app. Okay, so if that is what you have, if you click on this particular list, as you can see, this is the GT Bank beneficiary holders account which you already have. So if you want to delete through this means, it doesn't work. In fact, quickly it has tapped out. If you click on the delete beneficiary, I know you might have been expressing such, so it won't work. It doesn't work. So I'm going to show you the right way to do that. So if you want to transfer, okay, so to other banks, you can just say, okay, I want to transfer to, say, somebody, and I want to delete the person's account. Let's say I want to delete, let me just look for a very old account. Okay, so this is a first bank account and I want to delete it. You can see the delete icon on the right. You click on it, then they ask you, are you sure you want to delete beneficiary with account number blah 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 from your list? You say yes. Then it will ask you for your transaction pin. So you enter your transaction pin before you can do that. You just can't decide to say I want to do this and it goes. So you have to enter a transaction pin. You can see beneficiary successfully deleted. So if it has to do with GT Bank, you come to transfer to GT Bank account. There you can see the beneficiaries that you have that are under the GT Bank account. The same thing, you go to the particular account, you click on the delete icon. Okay, then you click, are you sure you want to delete beneficiary with account number blah blah blah? Say yes. Then you need to enter your transaction pin. All right, if you don't know how to create that, maybe I think I'll create a video on how to create beneficiary transaction pin. So beneficiary successfully deleted. So that is exactly what I want to show you. I guess it's so easy, so quick. You don't need to have an unnecessary beneficiary on your account over time. All right, thank you for watching, and if you are not giving this video a thumb up, give it right now, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe now, and let's keep the ball rolling. Leave a comment in the comment section. If the video is good, say it's good. If it's nice, say it's nice. Love you. Bye for now.